G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. Back in Tucson, Arizona. Yes, checking on the car wash, and I came across this one. It's closed down, and I wanted to show you guys that these are all over America. You know, I see them everywhere. You might not think, I mean, it's different if you're from a small town, middle America, and let's see, there might be like 2 or 3 car washes in that whole 50-mile radius. That's a different story, but you know, most cities, there's lots of car washes here. I haven't been to states like Chicago, places like that, so I can't speak on them, but whenever I go to Utah, Tennessee, there's always rundown. This one's shut down, completely shut down, and it looks like it's been like this for not too long. Let me show you guys this closed down car wash. 6 bays, I believe. Great opportunity, surrounded by housing, apartments. Why is it closed down? Doesn't matter. Figure out who owns it and see if we can do a deal. Let's check out what this car wash, closed down car wash in Tucson, Arizona, looks like. So looking at the road, it looks like a pretty decent intersection. You can see it from the intersection just. Obviously there's a big car spot right there. Not the busiest road, single lane. Going that way, there's double lanes. So that one's a lot more busy than this one, but still plenty of drive-by traffic and easily visible. Runs adjacent with the road. I think that's the word. No, parallel. It runs parallel with the word. Adjacent would be that way. So that's what we like. You drive by, see the whole car wash, 6 bays. And like I said, it's not in that bad of a condition. You could open this place and wouldn't even have to paint it. It looks pretty good. We have looks like a jail cell. Appears to be some sort of office. Super shine detail and hand wash. So it looks like they were doing some sort of detailing and hand wash. That's the office. But that is closed. And this is what the faceplates look like. So look at this, I've never really seen this before. This is to prevent theft. So there's a coin jam, I can see a coin in there, but you guys can't. So obviously it's hard to insert the coins, you put them in like that to prevent people from trying to break in this. And you got the switch right here. Obviously they have an 8-function rotary switch. One doesn't work, one's off, so they got 6 functions. I doubt they really work. Look at all these locks and bars and all that kind of contraption. But $1.25 for 4 minutes, so that's pretty damn cheap. So I'm guessing it's been closed based on those prices for at least a year, but maybe 2 years. But like I said, it's not that bad of a condition. The birds are playing and having some fun, making this place look like crap. It's got the booms, high pressure boom. It's got the soap boom. Oh, look how high that soap brush handle is. I'm 6'6" and that's still all the way up there. Still got the hose, surprisingly. Maybe I need that hose. I'll come back later tonight. I'm kidding. But all the lights, I mean, you know, it would need new lights. But this is just one bay. I mean, all bays are pretty much like this. Look at this. Oh, they got the crappy hose in. I'm sure that's real brittle. If I was to turn this place on tomorrow, turn those on, I'm sure they'd have holes in them, they'd be cracking. Obviously, still got half a hose here, so that one's been cut. Why cut it? Why not take it off? But this is the same. Spiders are making it their home, out of order. Nice big bays. I like the size of these bays. You could easily fit trucks in here, dualies. And look at this up the front. This is where the pole would have been for the sign saying car wash, obviously. People have just stuffed things down there. But the conduit's still there running into an electric box, so you might be able to make that work if you get the sign back up there. And we have a photo cell up there. I'm sure that's for the lights. And an open electric box with wires. I don't know if the power is to this building, I doubt it. As soon as they close down, I'm sure they turn the power off. Why keep it on? Bucket and brush. 250 super shoal. So this bay would have been for the detailing. This was the detail bay. So you go to the office, available ask attendant. You go to the office, Ty, and they will hand wash your car for you for $2.50. What a deal! What a deal. But all bays are the same. Full service car wash available. Ask a tech for more info. Brush out of order. So, you know, it's a little beat up. You'd have to put new coin boxes in, get a 10 function rotary switch. You guys know how we do. Oh, look at this one. This faceplate got busted, so you can see the rotary with all of its wires. That's the horn right there when you got 60 seconds left. Beep, 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 beep. Looks like someone tried to find a treasure somewhere. That might be a map to some treasure. So you guys do what you want with it. Drains are somewhat decently sized. You could get away with cleaning them out not too often. Once every 2 weeks, probably. Oh, we have a gun in this bay. Look at this. Wow. Gun and a wand and a tip. Interesting. So I really, like I said, it doesn't look like it's been closed down for that long because no one's stolen that yet. Oh, the power's on, look at that. Does this bay work? Does this bay work? Is this car wash not in fact closed? Let's test it out. Let's see. $1.25. Let me go grab my credit card. Wait, they don't accept it. Let me go get $1.25, insert it and see what happens. All right, here we have $1.25. Oh, this is gonna be tricky. Switch hands. Let's put it in. Oh, it takes it. The horn doesn't work, but look, is this gonna start? This is a closed down car wash. What's going on? This is crazy. It's on rinse, 4 minutes. Oh my God. It starts. There's power to this building. What the hell? I thought it was closed down. It works. Obviously there's no brush handle with the soap brush. What the hell? Foam brush. Let's see if it comes out of the foam brush. That's a negative on the foam brush. That is a negative on the foam brush. Let's try the soap, high pressure soap. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Soap, do we have soap? Do we have soap? I would be massively surprised if there was soap inside this motor room. Niente. Engine cleaner. Oh, it sounds like a river. What's going on down there? Oh, it's a waterfall. So there's no tire cleaner. It's literally, well, they've tried scrubbing it out, of course. It's literally just the rinse. No spot free. Wax. Wax works. Let's see if it comes out. I'm shocked. I thought this was closed down. And I'm not gonna lie, last time I was in Tucson, which was maybe 6-8 months ago, well, not last time, but a couple of times back I was in Tucson. I drove by this place and checked it out. I didn't film anything, but it was closed down. I don't see any wax. So that's why I was assuming it was closed down for 1, maybe 2 years. So to see this working, it's unbelievable. Oh, this one has a gun too, but no soap brush. So maybe this one works as well. The timer is on, looks a little cleaner. I'm sure this one works too. The ones, so they're still doing the detail. There's no one here. It's a Sunday, probably one of the busiest days for a car wash. There's no, it's closed. It's closed. But it's not closed because the bay works. There's nothing in that bay. So there's 2 bays open. It's got these signs up. So the 2 bays that are open have these signs. These signs actually don't look that old. You know how you put paper and stuff outside, especially in the hot here, heat. That looks no more than a month, 2 months. I don't know, what do you think? But yeah, 2 bays are open with water. Oh no. There's a death on the property. It fell from the nest. Very sad. Let's check out the rest of this place. This looks new. This looks nicely painted. That looks like a new sticker. Quarters in office, down the steps and around the corner to the right. That's too many instructions for me. Oh, nothing in there. Equipment failure? Let us know. Please leave name, address, phone number, and description of problem inbox. Thank you, Supersides Car Wash. Engine degreaser and tire cleaner now dispensed in each bay through the high pressure wand. I don't think anyone's gonna come around here. Well, they will for the build changer. Anyway, you get it. May have been a party here the other night. Oh, that's a plush Pepsi can for a dog. That's kind of cool. But yeah, this is it. Interesting. I mean, great opportunity if you get a good deal. If they're selling the land, get it cheap. Buy the land for land value. Don't pay a thing for the car wash. That's how you do it. You know, obviously the thing with this car wash is if you were to get it, buy the land just for land value. Don't pay a cent for the car wash. If the land value is where we are, we're in Tucson, Arizona, say it's $250,000, for example, that's what you pay. You don't pay $300,000, $250 for the land, 50 grand for the car wash. The car wash isn't worth anything. It's not open, it's making $0, so you wouldn't pay anything for it. And that's the good thing about having the infrastructure here. It's all good. Obviously there's some pumps and motors inside because 2 bays are working, incredible. So that's what I would do. I would contact the landlord who owns this thing. I would make an offer for the land, not the car wash. And then for this big 6-bay car wash, I could probably easily spend, with today's prices on new equipment and everything, probably $100,000, maybe even $120,000 to get this place up and running. Maybe even $140,000, including air dryers in each bay, to get this place open to the way that I like having car washes ran. And then you have a brand new car wash for 120 grand. Let's check out the vacuum area. There's my Texas edition Tacoma. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vacuum stands. One is obviously missing. They have a SINK, better known as a sink. It doesn't work. Out of order. Look at that lock. That's what you need around here. Out of order, doesn't work, no hose, and I'm guessing they're all the same. Nice big solid locks. Mobile Mini, the storage and office. Okay, they have their own locks. There's some serious locks. I like that. I like those locks. And you have this big vacant land at the back. I wouldn't be surprised if it was one parcel, a whole corner block. That might be different because it looks like there's a little alleyway down there. So it would probably be all this is the same. And there's a abandoned shed out the back for some reason, 2 trash bins and just lots of land. So they've done nothing with that. Few apartment buildings over there. There's a house right next door there. No bicycling or skateboarding. No one's gonna obey that. We have a couple of vending machines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got seven vending machines, which look functional. The housing is good. You would just have to, I mean, these might even work, coin mechanisms. You would have to test them out. If not, just get new ones, probably for like 140 bucks, whatever. New decals, they come free. Decals are free. So there you go, look at that, very cool. These ones look nice. Office, whatever that means, office. Cool. I got a good vibe about this car wash, I like it. That's why I'm hanging around, I don't want to leave. Another one, office, that way. Power plug. I wonder if there's power to it. If there is, and the homeless know, they're gonna charge their phone. I got some wires coming out here. And there you have it. I like it. Lots of room. Cars can line up in the front. Hopefully, if you get busy enough, easily just pull out from the bay, move straight to the drying vacuum area. Easy ingress, easy outgress, egress, whatever it is. Got a little garden up front here with some rocks. A little bush growing, nice flowers. It's kind of interesting they don't have a bill changer here. I would obviously put a bill changer up front. People park and they go to the front, there's a bill changer there, and it's going to be more visible. So if it's around the back, people are more likely to break into it. But being out here in the open, it's probably less likely going to be broken into. See, this bay has a gun as well. They have the numbers for the bays. Bay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exciting, I know, really exciting. Will not counts, do not use. So there's the one with the coin jam not working. So there you have it. I'm gonna be done filming this car wash. Like I said, 6 bays, pretty decent area, somewhat visible, very visible. The road's right there, what am I talking about? And this is what I look for. Like I said, they're all over America. Obviously bigger cities, you're gonna get more, not so much in cities like New York City, Manhattan, but you guys know what I mean. Like I said, they're out there when I travel around America, Tennessee, Utah. I'm gonna be in Florida, Orlando, Florida next month. So whoever's in Orlando, Florida, I used to live there. It's gonna be cool to go back, my old stomping grounds. And I'm gonna check out a few car washes there. So any car wash owners who have a car wash in Orlando, Florida, let me know. I'm gonna be out there next month, I think September 20th or something. So I'm excited for that. And there you have it, guys. Get out there, start scouting, do your thing, and let's make self-serve car washes great again. Thanks for watching, guys. Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. Adios.